Look at those crazy line. Ooh, looks like they're having some kind of 50% off for kids spring sale. Well, starting off on the clothing, we have some clearance down here, some hoodies, and another clearance here, some vest, something like that. But they have additional 50 on this one. Additional 50% off, spring sale for kids. Starting off, Air Vapor Max 2020 Flyknit Team Red colorway. I like the color on this one, $159.99. Kinda a little bit high for now. I'll wait out for additional discount. This Nike MX 720 colorway metallic silver. Oh, $89.97. This should be good if they had additional 30, but and Nike Air Max 2090 white and wolf gray, and they are selling for $84.99. I like the triple white-ish thing.
Sparky Beans.
So next one we get the Nike Go Shift $59.97. This one's been sitting here forever. No additional discount. Air Flight 89 LE. This one is not bad, but they are on retail. 120, and they have a B grade. Man, B grade with a retail. Nike React Vision white smoke gray, and they're selling for $79.97. This one is not bad for colorway, good for summer. We got the Nike React Vision black and white, retail $140, $79.97. Nike React Vision again. Well, they have a different colorway. This kind of funky-ish colorway. What do you think? $79.97. Alright, Nike React Presto. Wow. Little bright colorway. I'm gonna pick this up maybe when they have additional 30%, but now I'm gonna pass for now. Alright, next one, Nike Air Max Triax $59.97 barely Volt Racer. So I like the box though. Classic box, $69.97. Alright, Nike Space Hippie 4 $79.97. This one's sitting here forever. Alright, another Air Zoom Type 150 and $79.99. This one is I haven't foot, but I have a different colorway, so I got it more cheaper. But here, Nike Snack NZU 125 retail, $89.99. This one gonna be a good pickup, but if they had additional discount, I might. But now Nike Renew Run, so retail $90, $49.97. This could be a good personal for now. How about we got on display? So we are in basketball area, $59.97 on Paul George with that Kentucky colorway. Nice color though. Paul George right there, and they are full size run. So I'm gonna pick up a personal. This Lebrons has been sitting here for a different colorway, $149.97, another $149.97. No way. Alright, Kyrie, what do you think on this colorway? $69.97, glow in the dark. Good basketball shoes. $59.99 with this BB double stack of Air Zoom like this one. Air Zoom Prep is on deck. This one retails $120. They were selling for $59.97. Not bad for the price. This one is really good for personal on that price alone.
Beans.
We are in Jordan aisles, and we have the Jordan 36 low PD, 165 retail, and that's not bad for a basketball shoes for the quality and everything. It's kind of have the transparent here. This one kind of light. The outsole and the midsole is kind of weird, but I bet they are gonna be good as a performance basketball shoes. So, are you gonna pick them up?
Sparky Beans.
We're still in Jordan section. We got the Jordan Delta retail 140. They are selling for 99. Alright, so we are in clearance wall, hash wall, and what we got here, Nike Air Zoom BB Next 119.97. This one is kind of returned though. That's why they only have one stock. Jordan 1 Retro Metal. So this one caught me off guard. I thought it's just the Jordan 1, man. Come on. It's just the cleats. I thought, what? They have a Jordan 1 here for this colorway. LeBron Witness 3 Premium. $90 retail. With that patent leather. Ooh, shiny. Icy sole. And they got a lot of stocks. Alright, Nike React Infinity Run Flyknit $89.97. This could be a good running shoes. Jordan Delta here on the clearance $99.97. Well, another Jordan Proto React retail $79.97. LeBron Low $149.97. Next one, Jordan Proto React Jordan Fadeaway $59.97. Not bad for the price though. Well, how about this one? Air Max with that pink-ish colorway. Well, this should be a good colorway though. And they are selling for $109.97. Well, we got the Jordan Y Not Zero $89.97. Nike Air Max Force Air Force One Crater $93.97.
Sparky Beans.
Women's section, Nike Air Vernon Mid SE $39.97. Wow, not bad for the price though. And they have a different colorway which is black, $39.97 as well. Women's Nike Air Zoom Pegasus 36. We got some Infinity Run here and women's section 99. I like this colorway of Sail, and they have a different colorway. Infinity Run Flyknit 99 as well. Cord Vintage Premium $70. They're selling for 49. I thought this one Air Force One especially had a triple white with a little bit accent of orange with the off-white-ish kind of vibe. Right now we are in kids section. We got the Kyrie 6GS, we got Kyrie Trey, we got Jordan Fly 45 High Grade School, we got the Nike Team Hustle 29 and the Nike Team Hustle again. LeBron GS, this one is kinda good already on that price and it's already good for personal $69.97. And check on the comps, they are not really moving, so I'm passing on this one. That's all what we got on this blog today.
Sparky Beans.
for watching. See you on the next one. Peace. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye-bye.